What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to give a discount on your customers for the first order only. So basically imagine the following scenario. You did have made your WordPress store, you made your e-commerce, you set up WooCommerce, you made your products, you set up payment methods, but you would like to have easier or to incentivize or to motivate persons or potential customers to do their first order by a discount. So how to give a discount only for the first time purchasers on your store, all into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, your domain plus WP admin, WP login, enter with username or email and password. You're gonna be into a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins next to appearance and hit the submenu, add new plugin, okay? I'm gonna start this guide assuming that you already have set up your site using WooCommerce, okay? If you don't know what is WooCommerce, how to set up an e-commerce, go to YouTube and search for Visual Model WooCommerce. You're gonna be able to find our playlist full of tutorials explaining how to do this. After, review the left sidebar of menus into search plugins, upper right corner of your screen, click and type first order discount WooCommerce. And what are we looking for? This guy right here. First order discount WooCommerce. Click on install now. Then click into the activate. You're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all the plugins present on your site. And if you review the left sidebar of menus, next to WooCommerce, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu, Who Extend. Click into first order discount, and right here we're gonna be able to see free shipping as the first order discount, fixed discount, percentage discount or disable. What is the discount value? 5%, 9%, maybe 10%. Individual use only, apply discounts for guests, enable minimum cart amount, up to you. Minimum cart amount, maybe all you have to do now is hit the save change button and you are good to go. The discount gonna be applied to your WooCommerce. All you have to do is do a guest purchase to test. Simple, easy and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.